Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices, and we have deal of the day number 6. Deal of the day number 6. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. I don't know what new goal to set, but let's get as much as we can going into the new year. I appreciate every HARBRO and the support and just the kindness for getting to 20,000. Couldn't have done. Obviously, this is the community. It's the HARBROs. So I appreciate that. And consider hyping if you have any hypes left. Looking at those few who have used all their hypes on the HARBRO, at least most of their hypes on the HARBROs. Let's jump in. So, of course, 12 days of deals today. If you're a West Coast HARBRO, which we're all over the place, but if you're a West Coast HARBRO, you might have some time to get there today. Who picked up their Badland Jack? Who picked up their Pittsburgh Jack? Was this one that we skipped? This was a skip, right? Maybe it was a hit. So that's going on today. Tomorrow, well, here we go. Tomorrow, of course, is the US General Mini Steel Box. Steel Toolbox is $14. All the colors 26% off. That's a good deal. Not the lowest deal we've seen, and not even that low recently. And it'll probably be lower if the 30% off of $20 and under is confirmed, which everything's been accurate so far, but that'll be post-Christmas. So if you're looking for a Christmas gift, Tuesday, tomorrow, December 16th is a good time to pick it up. Of course, 25% off all gas engines tomorrow. There's a few of you who said you were interested. There's some, get an engine for 25% off is nuts compared most of them. I think they compare to Honda. That's just a crazy deal. I haven't seen this one before, but 25% off is great. And then we have Deal of the Day 6. Deal of the Day 6. And it's in Doyle rules. 30% off of all Doyle hammer, pliers, and wrenches. So specifically those, not the vices. There was an earlier total Doyle rules deal just about a month or two ago. But this is not too bad. 30% off all Doyle hammers, pliers, and wrenches. I'm in, but that's a great deal. We'll do a somewhat of a deep dive. And then 40% off. I was excited for a minute. Not that I'm not, but I thought these were tarps. So I thought this was going to be for the tarp bros. A little misleading. They look like tarps, but this is not tarps. These are moving blankets. 40% off of all moving blankets, which is a crazy deal. 40% is as basically for the sales that Harbor Freight does, as high as they go for any specific items or general items. So this is the time to get your moving blankets. If you're in a moving blanket business, this is all you. So let's jump in. Let's do a deep dive into, I'll start off with Doyle. Let's just do shop all hammers, pliers, wrenches. You would think you'd be able to. We'll go to hammers first. It looks like Doyle has 4 hammers, ranging from, let's just sort this for ourselves a little better, ranging from $69.99. Nice. I know we've gone over this in the past Doyle deal, down to $17. So let's take a look at this $69.99 Doyle 14-ounce titanium milled face framing hammer. Oh, it's titanium. That makes sense as a nice spot for the nails. 35% lighter for improved control and power, and that makes sense. Titanium is a premium metal at a fraction of the weight. That's why this is a pricey hammer at $69.99, but at 30% off, getting it down to $49, so saving an even $21 on this Doyle hammer at 30% off. So if you're in the market for this, not a bad time to pick it up. And then of course these are all similar range. 4-pound steel cross peen hammer, the 16-ounce steel nailing hammer, and then 3-pound steel drilling hammer. Those are all roughly $20, 30% off. You're actually gonna save $6. So get these for $4, and this one close, a little bit less than $4 savings. So those are the hammers. Let's go to wrenches. Hammers, pliers, wrenches. And they have 3 wrenches, one with a new lower price, which is nice to see. And it is the pricier one. That's the 15-inch high performance adjustable wrench, laser etch size marking to make the jaw set up fast and easy. See it right there. And at $28, getting this at 30% off, getting it down to sub $20, $19.60. Solid choice. And then, of course, you have your 12-inch and your 10-inch wrench. For the 12-inch, you'll save an extra $4.50, so about $10. And for the 10-inch, you'll save about $3.90, almost a $4 savings. Get it sub $10. Then we have pliers and fastening tools, but we'll just look at some of the pliers. The 20-inch high performance groove joint pliers. It does say 5 sizes. The 20-inch is 30 bucks, 16-inch is 20, and then so on and so forth. If you're getting the big pliers at 30 bucks and 30% off, you're getting it down to 21 bucks. That makes sense. Save $9. These are very nice. The 10-inch adjustable soft jaw pliers, and you definitely need a pair of soft jaw pliers because they come in handy when you're trying not to scuff and prevent damage for those more delicate jobs. 25 bucks, but at 30% off, you're getting it down to $17.50. So save about approximately $8. Great get. And pliers is where they have quite a few. You have the 12-inch fast adjust water pump pliers, 10-inch of the same version, some linesman's pliers, diagonal cutting pliers for 16 bucks, more diagonal pliers, and some long nose pliers, heavy duty long nose 8-inch and 7-inch, 6-inch electrician's multi-purpose pliers, 8-inch flat nose assembly. Let's see what they have on the back end. Precision pliers set 3-piece, and then your 8-inch slip joint pliers and the 8-inch high performance groove joint pliers. So those are your Doyle deals, and we will look briefly at the 40% off all Franklin moving blankets. These, I can't say that I've looked them up before. And it appears that there are 6 different movie blankets, more than I would expect, but I'm assuming different sizes. And we'll start at the most expensive. We have the 80-inch by 144-inch extra large double-sided moving blanket at 20 bucks. Probably don't need to do the math, but at 20 bucks and at 40% off, getting it down to $12. So save 8 bucks. Huge blanket is at 12 feet in length. Double stitched fabric. Solid choice for a moving blanket. That's the premium one. And then you have the grommeted moving blanket, 72-inch by 78-inch at $14. And again, save 40%. Get it down to $8.40. This camouflage utility cover. I believe that's the one in the picture. Doesn't say moving blanket, but a utility cover. Double stitched for durability. Size is ideal to protect furniture. $12. And at 40% off, getting it to $7.20. And then your classic other moving blankets, 72-inch by 80-inch moving blanket at $9. Save $2.70. Then you have your $6 and $5 72-inch moving blanket and 50-inch moving blanket, saving saving $3.60 on this 80-inch moving blanket, $2.40 savings on the 72-inch, and $2 savings on the 50-inch moving blanket. Gets down to $3. So interesting sale for moving blankets. Is there any blanket bros out there? Blanket bros sounds great, but you might get questioned a little bit. And that's deal of the day 6. Deal of the day 6. Let me know what the HARBROs are thinking. That's coming on Wednesday. Some Doyle tools, hand tools, hammers, pliers, wrenches, and Franklin moving blankets. Tomorrow, steel toolboxes and engines. Let me know if you're picking up an engine, and let me know if you picked up any of the floor jacks. But either way, I'll leave it at that. Let me know what you think about Deal of the Day 6. And as always, happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping, good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. Let's end the new year right. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your